You are welcome in AI with Rao, and let's make AI simple. Let's start with one interesting story and example. So in your phone you might have 10,000 plus photos, and in one photo it contains more than millions of pixels. And when AI will process all these 10,000 photos, you can imagine how expensive and cumbersome this task is. And do you think a smart AI does exactly like this? No. Here comes the concept of PCA, Principal Component Analysis. This concept is actually the most vital or turning point that converts mathematics into real AI. Now again start with an interesting story, and that is you are going for a trip, say Goa, for 1 week, but the problem is you have small bag, not a double XL. Okay, you love that and you don't want to leave it, you want a very small bag. Then what you will do? You are going to pack only the most essential items for the trip. You will discard all these things which are not the most important, the most essential. Now you can get the intuition. This is what actually the PCA is. Now let's connect this with AI. So the AI in the first example we discussed, in the case of photo, in one photo have millions of pixels. What PCA does, that it looks into the pixel but it discard those pixels which have linear property, where variation is almost null. Those features where the variation is almost zero, no variation, it will discard those features, it will discard those pixels, and it will only render or will only compute those pixels where the variation of data is highest. And what is called, this feature is called principal component, and the analysis of this principal component, the method is called principal component analysis. Now you can relate all these things. What it does, you know what? It first find mean, and if you have a mean, you can find the variance and standard deviation. After that, it finds the eigenvalue and eigenvectors. We have discussed about this, that eigenvector tells the direction and eigenvalue tells the magnitude or the importance of that direction. And now this direction is known to PCA and it will only follow that direction. Now you can relate all mathematical concepts are finally converted into one topic that called feature analysis of PCA, principal component analysis, and this is being used in almost everywhere in AI. Facial recognition we discussed just right now, and DNA analysis, spam detection, and number of. So this is the end of the basic mathematics needed for an AI engineer or AI ML engineer. So thank you so much for being in the video till now. Now from tomorrow we are going to follow a next segment that is called machine learning. So thank you so much again.